Hi, in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper in your PC. To change wallpaper in your PC, right-click your desktop and click Personalize. Click Background. Now, you can see here there are 4 options to set: Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow, and Windows Spotlight. If you click Picture, you can select Windows Wallpaper, or you can select wallpaper of your choice. Press Browse Photos, and choose the photo that you want. Now if we go to Desktop, you can see the wallpaper has been changed. Now, moving into the second option, Slide Color. In the Slide Color option, pick the color, and will be set as wallpaper. As you can see, the desktop changed to my set color. In the third option, Slideshow, you can upload multiple images to create slideshow. You can also change picture every interval. Now the last option, Windows Spotlight. Windows Spotlight is a feature that displays different wallpapers made by Microsoft. So that's how you change wallpaper in your PC. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.